What's up guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm actually doing this video because a new trailer has come out because of an event that took place, and that is a Ubisoft event, and they revealed some new information. For example, they revealed some gameplay about Assassin's Creed Valhalla, which I'm gonna do a video later on, but I decided to do this video, and that is Far Cry. It's a trailer. A trailer has come out for Far Cry 6, and there's been a lot of hype around this trailer because there are some really good actors that have been put into this game. Yeah, so let's just get into the trailer and let's see what's going on in the trailer, and then I'll talk about it. Ooh, it looks so good.
It's beautiful, Migo.
Oh, I know who that is.
Perfect, but useless. I have something for you, Diego. Give me your hands.
Papa.
Now, the grenade is simple. It has 4 basic parts. The shell, which contains the explosive, the fuse, the handle, and of course, the pin.
What are you doing?
Breathe, Diego. Breathe. The pin simply holds the handle in place. It is only when you let go that this grenade goes boom. Follow me.
Giancarlo Esposito, man. He's the man. I'm so glad he's in this game. You can't do that to a kid.
I am El Presidente, which means that someday you will be El Presidente. And our people, they do not know
It's
how
kind of
to
funny.
be. They are torn apart by opinions, noise, indecision, strangled by their own freedoms. And even if you have love in your heart, even if you want what's best for them, if you only want to save them from themselves, they will hate you, Diego. Everything you say,
Don't tell me he's gonna throw it into the crowd.
will be wrong.
There he is.
They will answer you with screams, call you evil, a monster, and give you this. So you tell me, are you evil? Are you a monster? Because our country is like this grenade, except it has 2 basic parts. Our people. And you must clutch them nice and tight, or we all go boom.
He's so good.
Do you understand now? Prove it.
Watch more.
I mean, this whole trailer was just looking at how Giancarlo Esposito is in his element. That's it. I feel like that was the end. I mean, that was the entire point of the whole trailer. and you can see, I mean, he's gonna really own this character and he's gonna make it his own. But we don't know a lot of about a lot of story about the Far Cry 6 game, except the fact that it's gonna be another liberation game where there will be a certain organization, or will be a certain faction which will take over a city or a country, and then you have to go against them. I mean, they have been doing this for like 4 or 3 Far Cry games, and it's kind of getting old. There is nothing new about it. Like, I feel like they should at least do something new in this, and it's good to see that they have come up with some ways to do that by employing a character or like an actor like Giancarlo Esposito. But I feel like they should do something new, and I hope that they might do something new from this in this game by inculcating a new kind of story and a new kind of direction. And they in the Far Cry games over the years has been fun to play because they go through different environments and different places around the world, or different times around the world, and that has been fun to play. But at the same time, the story is where it lacks a little bit. I feel like the only story that felt that it had some kind of substance was Far Cry 3, and Vados. He was a really good antagonist, and that was the story which really like held me into the game with the story and also with the visuals and the gameplay and everything. But other than that, I don't remember a Far Cry game which has truly made me go like, wow, okay, now I'm enjoying this game really, really, really well. Like, there hasn't been a Far Cry game which made me go like that, and I'm hoping that this game would make me do that, because I have some expectation right now, because the trailer looks good. Giancarlo Esposito, I love him. I mean, I really like him, and he has done antagonist roles in so many shows, and he has killed in every single show. So I have huge expectation for him and also this game right now. So let's see where it goes. So this is just slight information that we got from the trailer, and we still have to get a lot more about the gameplay and what the story is entirely about and all those things, and who we are going to play as. I feel like we are going to play as that little boy or girl. I'm not sure, because it was kind of confusing, but I think it's a boy. I think he said Diego, so I think we are going to play as that little boy. Who knows? I'm still in the dark, other than the fact that I got here and there like a little information from the trailer. Other than that, I'm still in the dark. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts about the trailer, do let me know down in the comment section below, and let me know what's your thought on this trailer. Like, are you excited for Far Cry 6? Do you know something about Far Cry 6 that I didn't mention here? So do let me know down in the comment section below, and also just stay tuned for my Assassin's Creed Valhalla gameplay analysis. So I'm gonna put that out as soon as I put this out. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. So, peace, stay safe.